Have you ever wondered why millions of Muslims worldwide participate in Ramadan, a month-long period of fasting? From the vibrant streets of Marrakesh to the bustling cities of Jakarta, from the serene landscapes of Istanbul to the metropolitan vibes of New York, this practice unites a diverse array of cultures and traditions. At the heart of this practice lies fasting, a key pillar of Islam, observed with reverence and dedication. Fasting during Ramadan is not merely about abstaining from food and drink. It's a time for spiritual reflection, self-improvement, and heightened devotion. Welcome to Nutrition.com. In this video we will learn about the physical and mental benefits of fasting in Ramadan. The period of fasting stretches from the break of dawn to the setting of the sun, a time when the world sleeps and then awakens, mirroring the spiritual awakening that fasting aims to invoke. Imagine, if you will, a day in the life during Ramadan. You rise before the sun, partaking in a pre-dawn meal known as Sahur. As the first light of day breaks, you begin your fast, abstaining from all food and drink. The day continues as usual, but there's a heightened sense of purpose, a profound connection to a tradition that dates back over 1,000 years. As the sun dips below the horizon, the fast is broken with the evening meal known as iftar, a time of communal gathering and shared gratitude. But beyond the spiritual and communal aspects of Ramadan, fasting holds a fascinating secret. It's a practice that has been studied by scientists and researchers around the globe, delving into its potential benefits for our bodies and our minds. What if we told you that this ancient practice could hold the key to modern health benefits? That the discipline and self-control required during fasting could potentially lead to improved physical and mental well-being? Intriguing, isn't it? As we embark on this exploration, we'll delve into the science behind fasting, unraveling its mysteries and revealing its potential benefits. The key question we're exploring today is, what are the scientific benefits of this age-old religious practice? Join us as we unravel the mystery of fasting. Fasting, particularly during Ramadan, is more than a religious practice. It has numerous scientifically proven benefits. Let's delve into some of those benefits, shall we? First off, fasting is a natural way to detoxify your body. As you abstain from food, the body gets a break from digesting and processing nutrients. It shifts its focus to removing toxins and repairing cells. It's like hitting a reset button for your body, giving it the chance to clean house. Now, let's talk about your brain. The brain loves fasting. It might sound counterintuitive, but fasting can actually enhance your cognitive functions. Studies have shown that fasting boosts the production of a protein called BDNF, which stimulates the growth of new neurons and fights brain degeneration. So, while you're fasting, your brain could be getting smarter. Then we have weight loss, a benefit that's quite popular. When you fast, your body switches to burning fat for energy. This shift not only helps you lose weight but also reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Speaking of diabetes, fasting has been found to improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes more efficient at using insulin to regulate your blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those at risk of diabetes, or those already diagnosed. And lastly, let's talk about something truly spectacular. Fasting can help regenerate the immune system. When you fast, your body starts to break down and recycle old, damaged cells, particularly white blood cells. This process, known as autophagy, stimulates the production of new, healthy cells, effectively rejuvenating your immune system. Fascinating, isn't it? But wait, there's more to this. It's not just the body that benefits from fasting. The mind too reaps significant advantages. Now, let's delve into the ways fasting influences our mental health and cognition. First and foremost, fasting promotes mental clarity. When we refrain from eating, our bodies start to use stored fats for energy, leading to the production of ketones. These molecules are then used by our brains as a source of fuel, and interestingly, they've been found to enhance mental clarity and cognitive function. It's as if fasting flips a switch, rejuvenating our thought processes and making our minds sharper. Not only does fasting boost mental clarity, but it also improves concentration. As the body adapts to the fasting state, it begins to conserve energy, redirecting it from digestion to other areas such as the brain. This shift in energy use can result in increased focus and attention, making it easier to stay on task and be productive throughout the day. Yet, the mental benefits of fasting extend beyond mere cognitive improvements. Fasting also stimulates neurogenesis, the process by which new neurons are formed in the brain. This can lead to enhanced learning, memory, and overall brain health. It's remarkable to think that simply refraining from food could have such profound effects on the brain structure and function. However, fasting's mental benefits aren't purely physiological. There's a spiritual aspect to it as well. Fasting, especially during Ramadan, is a time of reflection and deep introspection. It's a chance to disconnect from the material world and connect with the internal self, promoting mental peace and tranquility. It's about more than just abstaining from food and drink. It's a holistic practice that nurtures the mind, body, and spirit. In essence, fasting is a powerful tool for mental health and cognitive function. It enhances mental clarity, improves concentration, stimulates neurogenesis, and fosters mental peace. So, fasting in Ramadan is a holistic approach that benefits both the body and the mind. Indeed, it's a beautiful practice that can bring about profound transformations in our lives. Now, you might be wondering what kind of nutrients should be consumed during Ramadan to ensure optimum health. Well, let's delve into that. During fasting, the body undergoes an interesting transformation. It switches from using the glucose in your system for energy to using the stored fat. This shift, while beneficial, requires the body to be properly nourished during non-fasting hours. First up is Sahur, the pre-dawn meal. This meal should be your fuel for the day, so it's essential to make it as balanced and nutrient-dense as possible. You want to include complex carbohydrates, like whole grains and legumes. These take time to break down, providing a slow and steady release of energy throughout the day. Also, don't forget the importance of fiber. Foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, not only keep you feeling full longer but also aid in digestion. Now, let's talk about protein. Protein is a vital building block for your body's cells and should be a part of your sahur. You can get your protein fix from sources like eggs, dairy, lean meat, or plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. As the sun sets, it's time for iftar, the meal after sunset. Iftar is a time to replenish and rehydrate. Begin with dates and water, a traditional practice that's not just symbolic but also packed with health benefits. Dates are a powerhouse of essential minerals and energy, and water replenishes the hydration lost during the day. Your iftar meal should also contain a balance of carbohydrates and protein, accompanied by a generous portion of vegetables for added nutrients and fiber. But remember, while it's important to replenish your body, moderation is key. Overeating can lead to discomfort and negate the health benefits of fasting. And let's not forget hydration. Water is crucial during fasting hours. Aim to drink plenty of fluids between iftar and sahur to prevent dehydration. Remember, the key is to nourish your body with the right foods during non-fasting hours. To sum up, fasting during Ramadan offers a multitude of benefits, both physical and mental. We've journeyed through the fascinating science of fasting and discovered some truly remarkable benefits. Not only does it aid in weight loss and detoxification, it also promotes better heart health and insulin sensitivity, making it a powerful ally in the fight against conditions like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. But the benefits of fasting aren't limited to the physical. It also nurtures our minds, enhancing cognitive function, boosting mood, and even sparking neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons. Remember, fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all practice. It's a deeply personal journey that requires patience, discipline, and self-care. Listen to your body's cues, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice if needed. Hope you found the video informative. Thanks for watching.